Good morning, students. In last class, we start the lesson number 11, water in atmosphere. Now, here the processes about the water vapor and the water and the solid form of water. In gaseous form, water vapor, and the solid form, water. So, in solid form, water in form of ice and the liquid form, water. Here, three processes, and these processes are also helpful for rainfall. We understand these processes by this diagram. Here sun rays, and here the source of water and sun, and the presence of the sun rays, yeah, insolation. What here the water convert in the water vapor. Here the water and water convert in the water vapor. The liquid form convert in the gaseous form. This is known as the evaporation, the process by which water is transformed. The water is transformed from liquid to gaseous, from water to water vapor. This process is known as evaporation. This process is known as the evaporation. Then water vapor, here the availability of the water vapor is increased, and the water vapor convert in the water. Water vapor transform in the water, that is known as the condensation. And the temperature at which the water start evaporating is referred to as latent heat of evaporation. Latent heat of evaporation, जब क्या हो रहा है, वाटर वेपर में ट्रांसफॉर्म होना स्टार्ट हो रहा है, द टेम्परेचर जिस टेम्परेचर में क्या हो रहा है, वाटर ट्रांसफॉर्म इन द वाटर वेपर, दिस temperature is known latent heat of evaporation. Latent heat of evaporation. And water vapor convert in the water, this process is known as the condensation. The transformation of water vapor into water, the transformation water vapor into water, this process is known condensation. And what is sublimation, water vapor convert directly in the solid form, ice form, that is known as the sublimation. यानी वाटर वेपर लिक्विड में कन्वर्ट नहीं हो रहा है, डायरेक्टली किसमें कन्वर्ट हो रहा है, इन द सॉलिड फॉर्म, दैट इज नोन एज द सब्लिमेशन. Clear? We discuss all these here. First is the amount of water vapor in the atmosphere is added or withdrawn due to the evaporation and the condensation. Here the main process, here the condensation and the evaporation. Evaporation is a process by which water is transformed to the liquid part to the gaseous part. This is known as the evaporation. And heat is the main cause for evaporation. जो evaporation के लिए main responsible है, heat of the sun. The temperature at which the water start to evaporating, जिस temperature पर water evaporating होना start होता है ना, evaporation start होता है, the temperature at which the water start evaporating is referred to as the latent heat of the evaporation. Increase in temperature, increase water absorption and retention capacity of the given parcel of air. So dependently parcel of the air, then the wet air, then here evaporation start here. The temperature is high, then evaporation is continuing here, है ना. Similarly, if the moisture content is low, the air has a potentially of absorbing and the retaining moisture. Movement of air replace the saturated layer with the unsaturated layer, hence the greater the movement of air, the greater is the evaporation. देखो क्या बात की जा रही है यहाँ पे कि evaporation, water, then here the dry here the air dry होगा तो क्या होगा, then evaporation is high, then moisture here तो evaporation is low. जब wet होगी air तो evaporation low होगा, और dry होगी air तो क्या होगा, evaporation is the high. Clear? The transformation of water vapor into the water is called condensation. Water vapor transferred into the water, या gaseous form transferred into the liquid form, this is known as the condensation. Condensation is caused by the loss of heat. जब heat कम होती है, that is the condensation. When moist air is cooled, by moist air is cooled, it may reach a level when its capacity to hold water vapor is increases. Then the assessed water vapor condenses into the liquid form. Water vapor convert into the liquid form water, that is called the condensation. और ऐसा होता कब है? Then here cooled air होगा तो water vapor amount is increased. Then here the start the condensation. Water vapor convert into the water, and if it is directly condensed into the solid form, water vapor liquid form में नहीं हो रहा है और डायरेक्ट इसमें ट्रांसफॉर्म हो रहा है in the solid form, this is known as the sublimation. This is known as the sublimation. In free air, condensation results from the cooling around very small particles terms as hygroscopic condensation. Nucleic particles and the dust, smoke and the salt from the ocean particularly good nucleic because they absorb the water. Here the smokes, dust particles, ये सब क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे? डस्ट पार्टिकल्स, स्मोक्स पार्टिकल्स आल्सो, ये सब क्या बना रहे हैं? अब्सॉर्ब द वाटर वेपर, और इससे क्या बन रहा है? हियर द clouds. Then here the cloud, then water vapor amount is increased, water vapor amount is increased, then water vapor converted in the water, and the result is rainfall. The result is rainfall here. Condensation also takes place when the moist air comes in the contact of the some colder object, and it may also take place when the temperature is close to the dew point. Dew point के the temperature is that nearby the dew point, और dew point का nearby होगा तो क्या होगा? टेम्परेचर में जो ऑब्जर्व करने का है वो क्या हो जाएगी? कैपेसिटी लो हो जाएगी. देन हियर द कंडेंसेशन स्टार्ट हियर. कंडेंसेशन देयरफॉर डिपेंड्स अपॉन द अमाउंट ऑफ द कूलिंग एंड द रिलेटिव ह्यूमिडिटी ऑफ द एयर. Clear? Condensation is influenced by the volume of air, temperature, pressure, and the humidity. Here the condensation takes place when three here the causes. First is when the temperature of air is reduced to dew point. जब टेम्परेचर क्या हो जाएगा? एयर का लो हो जाएगा. देन टेम्परेचर अमाउंट या टेम्परेचर ऑफ द एयर इज लो. इससे क्या होगा? जैसे टेम्परेचर जितना मान लिया 10 डिग्री है, 10 डिग्री, और एयर का जो टेम्परेचर वो क्या हो गया? लो टेम्परेचर वाली एयर के जब कांटेक्ट में आएगा तो इसका टेम्परेचर भी क्या हो जाएगा? लो हो जाएगा. देन द वाटर वेपर का जो ऑब्जॉर्व करने की कैपेसिटी इसकी कम हो जाएगी. देन हियर द वाटर वेपर इंक्रीज, देन अमाउंट ऑफ द वाटर वेपर इंक्रीज. व्हाट हियर द वाटर वेपर कन्वर्ट इन द वाटर. रिजल्ट हियर कंडेंसेशन. सेकंड पोजीशन, when both the volume and the temperature are reduced. जब टेम्परेचर कम हो जाएगा, वॉल्यूम कम हो जाएगा, इसका रिजल्ट क्या होगा? देन टेम्परेचर here the reduce, then water vapor amount is increase, and water vapor amount is increase, then start here the condensation. जब वाटर वेपर ज्यादा हो जाएगा, सिंपल सी बात है कि ये जो सैचुरेटेड एयर है, अब इसमें वाटर वेपर है, अब वाटर वेपर का अमाउंट इंक्रीज करना. जब वाटर वेपर ज्यादा हो जाएगा उसका रिजल्ट क्या होगा? वाटर वेपर कन्वर्ट इन द वाटर. तो फर्स्ट वाले में जो फर्स्ट इसमें आया, इसमें क्या किया हमने? देन एयर का जो टेम्परेचर है वो रिड्यूस हो गया. एयर टेम्परेचर रिड्यूस, देन वाटर वेपर अमाउंट इज ऑटोमेटिक इंक्रीज. देन टेम्परेचर आल्सो इंक्रीज, टेम्परेचर रिड्यूस, टेम्परेचर कम हो गया तो क्या हो रहा है? वाटर वेपर अमाउंट इज इंक्रीज हियर, एंड रिजल्ट इज रेनफॉल या वाटर वेपर कन्वर्ट इन द वाटर. देन थर्ड इज व्हेन मॉइस्चर इज एडेड टू द एयर थ्रू एवेपोरेशन, और कंटिन्यू एवेपोरेशन होता जा रहा है, और एवेपोरेशन का रिजल्ट क्या होगा? वाटर वेपर अमाउंट इज इंक्रीज इन द एटमॉस्फेयर एंड वाटर वेपर कन्वर्ट इन द वाटर. दिस प्रोसेस. क्लियर? However, the most favorable condition for the condensation is the decrease in air temperature. Air temperature जब decrease होएगा, that is the most condition for the condensation. Clear? So here three conditions here: evaporation, condensation, and the sublimation. Evaporation, the process which water convert in the transform in the liquid form. Water is transformed from liquid to gaseous form, and the condensation, the transformation of the water vapor into the water, and direct the water vapor convert in the solid form, that is known as the sublimation.